Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'd like to show you how I make my coleslaw, popularly known as salad. So this is something you can serve over jollof or fried rice, and you can also eat it just the way it is if you are on a weight loss journey, and it tastes so good. So for this salad, I used some lettuce and some cabbage, 1 cup of cooked sweet corn, 1 cup of frozen green peas, 3 carrots that I cut into strips, 1 cucumber that I cut into strips as well, some mayonnaise, and this hot chili sauce. This is going to give it a little bit of spiciness because I like my coleslaw a little bit spicy. So the first thing you want to do is to wash the cabbage and the lettuce properly, and I'm just taking out the first layer that is covering the cabbage because it's dirty. So after that, I'm going to cut it into 2 because I will be using half of it. I'm not going to be using the whole cabbage. And I'm just simply slicing it into thin pieces. You can cut it whichever way you want. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing with the lettuce. Now we are all done with shredding the cabbage and the lettuce, and the next thing I like to do is to pour the lettuce and the cabbage into a boiled water. I just boiled some water, and you can add some salt to it if you want, but I didn't add salt to it. Then once the water boils, I turned my heat to very low and then add the cabbage and the lettuce. Let it sit there for 1 minute. Just keep stirring it around for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take it out of the water. Add the carrot as well and repeat the same thing. Let it also sit for 1 minute. Now the same thing with the green peas. Because I took it out from the freezer, I'm going to let it sit for only 1 minute because it's a little bit soft. But if you are using the fresh green peas, then you might want to leave it there for up to 2 minutes. Now after that, we are going to start layering the vegetables in a bowl, starting with the cabbage, the carrots, the cucumber, the cooked sweet corn, and finally the green peas. Now we are going to do the same thing again, starting with the cabbage and the lettuce, the carrots, the cucumber, the sweet corn, and the green peas. And now we are going to add the hot chili sauce. If you don't have this, you can add some red chili pepper, just a tiny bit, to give it that spiciness, or you can choose to leave it. It's up to you. And now we are going to add the mayonnaise. Stir everything together. You can add the mayonnaise depending on how creamy you want it to be. Mix everything together until they are well combined. And this is what my coleslaw looks like. Now I'm going to serve it over my jollof rice. Like I said before, you can serve it over jollof or fried rice. it goes so well with these two, and you can as well eat it the way it is if you are on a weight loss diet. Now I'm serving it also with my sweet honey butter fried chicken. If you missed out on that video, please kindly check the video out. I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.